In this video, we are going to answer if the market is currently bullish or bearish. And with that being said, we are going to dive in with different altcoins, especially Ethereum, CRO, GALA, VeChain, AVAX, and as well as the whole crypto market following the Bitcoin dominance. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So yeah, let's dive into this video. So yeah, let's give you a quick recap of what we were expecting. So diba, on our previous video, we were expecting more consolidation between this somewhat of a falling channel. So right now, yeah, I don't expect big moves yet for Bitcoin. It can still pump and dump within this area kasi yun nga, we are still playing within this consolidation area. And if we are going to look at this in the shorter time frame, you can see na we are actually starting to see this resistance forming. So if you're going to zoom out, meron tayong clear resistance na nag-form. This actual resistance was the previous resistance ng previous all-time high. So if you're going to zoom out, yun yung previous resistance. And right now, we are currently playing at that area. So, meron tayong major resistance na kailangan i-break, which is itong 59K or 58,000 US dollars. And yeah, yun yung kailangan natin talaga ma-break. But if you're going to look at this, meron din tayo actually support, which is around the 55K area. Actually, dun tayo actually nakuha ng bounce at the 55.6K. So, I think that would be a good buying opportunity. But going back with the bigger time frame, especially kay daily, you can actually see na ating 100-day moving average is getting higher by the day. So, if you're going to zoom out, yung ating itong orange line, paakit siya ng paakit. Kasi nung previous dump, yung 100-day moving average acted as a support. So, right now, malayo pa siya, pero by the day goes by, pwede siya umakit pa. And then, pag let's say umabot tayo dyan, possible na din tayo makuha ng bounce. So, there's no specific target dito. Pero if you're going to follow the trend, I think it's going to more likely play around the 55,000 US dollars, similar sa shorter time frame. So, yeah, 100-day moving average is the very confluent area. And looking at this in the RSI, you can see na massively nag-reset yung ating RSI. So, if nag-reset yan, then that would be a good thing kasi this would indicate na it's still a good buying opportunity for the crypto market. So, if you want to re-enter ngayon kay Bitcoin or stake, now is actually one of the best time kasi look at that, bagsak yung market. And if I were you, I would not be fearful in buying the dip kasi as usual, dips are opportunity to re-enter the market as well as they are compounding profit. Especially once nag-start mag-pump yung market, ramdam yung profit. Especially ito na yung dip na matagal na inaabangan. So, buy the dip lang ng buy the dip following dollar cost average. Follow dollar cost average in buying the dip para hindi kayo maubusan ng bala sa pagbabay ng dip. So, the question is the market bullish or bearish? Well, I think for me, for the bigger time frame, it's very bullish pa din still. Look at this. We are still very bullish, especially in the daily time frame. But for the short term, yes, it's somehow bearish. It's bearish for the short term, especially if you're going to follow this. But yun nga, untraditional movement ito, if this breaks to the upside, then that would be a bullish. So, yeah, I think overall, it's still bullish talaga. It's just a minor pullback or, yeah, tingnan nyo, kitang-kita nyo naman sa daily time frame, it's just a pullback. So, I don't think na kailangan talaga i-worry ito. So, for me, I believe na we are still bullish pa din for the Bitcoin price. Especially yun nga, papunta pa lang tayo dun sa support na 100-day moving average. So, for me, it's still bullish for the whole crypto market. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, I highly suggest na trade it with Bingbon kasi dito, mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. Not only for Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, pwede ka din mag-trade siya ng VeChain, AVAX, and other coins. So, if you want to claim bonus dito kay Bingbon, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So, yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. Now, let's look into the Bitcoin dominance kasi, diba, as previously mentioned, meron tayong support and resistance area na nag-play out dyan. And as you can see, right now, we are still moving sideways dito. So, kung nag-move sideways to, kung ano yung galon ng Bitcoin, yun yung galon ng altcoin market. Pero, if let's say mag-break to, diba, doon tayo makita na altcoin season. If nag-bounce, Bitcoin season. So, sa ngayon, wala pa tayong specifics kung magbabounce ba to or magde-decline. So, right now, we are still monitoring this. Not much update pa din kasi as you can see, we are still at the support area. Pero, it's going to be more likely be a bounce. Pwede siya mag-bounce kasi dyan, especially that's a support area. So, right now, that's what you need to be monitoring right now for the Bitcoin dominance and for the altcoin market. Kasi, of course, the altcoin market is highly dependent on this movement. And with that being said, let's dive into altcoins. So first things first, let's look into Ethereum. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame and let's go to what we have previously followed. So this is for the 4-hour time frame. So you can see, na-meet natin yung target exactly as predicted, which is itong 50 moving average following up from this bullish divergence. And right now, I think ang maganda opportunity dito with Ethereum is to buy back again when it falls to the $4,000 area. I think the $4,000 area is actually a good re-entry opportunity kasi you can see, this is actually a good support. Yun yung ating target ng falling or rising wedge actually. So that would be actually a good re-entry opportunity for Ethereum. And Ethereum is actually looking very healthy right now, especially yun nga. Ang ganda ng trend natin and napapredict pa din natin yung kanyang price action. So right now, if you want to buy Ethereum, maganda yung $4,000 and looking at this in the RSI, hindi pa siya oversold, indicating na it's not yet the best time to buy. But yeah, as usual, buy the dip using dollar cost average, and if nag-30 threshold siya, then that would be a buying opportunity. Pero ang possible din kasi mangyari dito, if let's say, umakyat na umakyat habang nade-decline yung price, that's a good thing. In that case, that is a bullish divergence. That is a signal for a bullish trend reversal. So right now, yung ating monitor for Ethereum, not much pa din for this Ethereum price action, but yun nga, that would be a good buying opportunity. Pero looking at this in the very short term sa hourly time frame, it's already a good buy if you're going to follow Ethereum for the hourly time frame. For our time frame, not yet the best buy, though it's still a good buy. But for me, ang pinaka-best opportunity is yung 30 threshold talaga sa RSI. Now, that is for Ethereum. Let's now dive into CRO token. Kasi look at this. It met our target exactly as predicted, which is yung 76 cents area. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, if ma-break natin si 57 cents, our target would be the 76 cents. And look at that. We just met it exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you have been owning CRO token. And right now, are we seeing any bearish trend reversal signals? So as of now, it's just overbought, pero there are still no signs of a bearish trend reversal. Kasi look at this. The RSI is not yet declining, so it's still looking healthy pa din. Looking at this in the daily, though ito yung magiging problem lang siguro natin. Sa daily, may bearish divergence, but sa 4-hour time frame, wala tayong nakikita. So I think this should be somewhat of a warning kasi yun nga, nagde-decline yung ating RSI. Makikita mo siya dyan na, ayun no, price is increasing while the RSI is declining, so that is not a good thing. Though pwede kasi ito mag-extend pa and it can still continue the bearish divergence habang umakit pa. So yung ating ma-monitor ngayon for the CRO token price action, especially yun nga, overbought tayo but there are still no major clear indicators yet na magbe-bearish na tayo or magbe-bear trend na. And yeah, we are still following this Fibonacci retracement area kung paano natin na-predict yung price. So right now, our major support for CRO is actually the 57 cents. So that would be a good buying opportunity, which is the 57 cents. Take profit area would be 76 cents as well as the 88 cents. So right now, 88 cents and 76 cents yung ating major targets and resistance for the CRO token price action. And guys, if you want to stake your coin, you can actually stake your coin kay Crypto.com, or if you want to buy CRO, kasi nakikita marami nagtatanong kung saan ba makabili ng CRO. As far as I know, the best place and the only place where you can trade CRO is actually in Crypto.com. So if you want to claim bonus kay Crypto.com, you can actually claim up to $50 bonus kay Crypto.com, as well as you are automatically entitled to our future raffles and promotions if you are going to sign up with my sign-up code, which is Gabs Crypto. So if gusto nyo sumali sa ating mga future raffles and gusto mga claim ng bonus dito, just use my sign-up code, which is Gabs Crypto, or you can find that in the description down below. Now, in order to claim that $50, yung first $25 makiklaim mo siya upon registration, and then another $25 if you're going to apply for a metal Visa card. So, all in all, $50 yung makukuha nyo dyan. If nag-apply ka, if nag-register ka, plus nag-apply ka, $50 yung total makukuha nyo. Maganda yung kanilang metal Visa card. So, let's say if mag-own ka ng CRO for the long term, then might as well mag-stake ka na din. Kasi if nag-stake ka, makakuha ka ng kanilang metal Visa card. Ang kagandaan kay CRO, pwede ka din actually mag-stake ng coins. And you can earn up to 14.5 interest per annum when you're going to stake coins as well as stablecoin with Crypto.com. So that is for Crypto.com. Looking very bullish tayo, especially yun nga, ang daming balita ngayon kay Crypto.com. And yeah, let's talk about other coins naman. So let's look at GALA. So diba yung previous analysis natin kay GALA, meron tayong increasing price, declining RSI. That is a signal for a bearish trend reversal. So right now, nag-start na siya mag-play out. Pero I think ang kailangan mangyari dito is kailangan natin ma-break itong support in order for this to continue pa to the downside. So, Ano ba yung magiging target nito for GALA? So if mag-break siya to the downside, then our target would be the bottom of this channel, which is around the 23 cents. So yun nga, may bearish divergence, declining price, and 50 moving average yung usual target talaga ng ating bearish divergence, which is yun nga, ito, 50 moving average. But you can actually set a target at this 23 cents. Pwede din yun, or the 50 moving average. So right now, it's not yet a good buying opportunity for GALA. It's actually a good selling opportunity for the time being. So that's for the GALA price action. Looking at VeChain, you can see na nag-breakdown tayo sa ating ascending channel, diba? So, ang ganda ng analysis natin nun, we actually came off from a bullish divergence and then we never looked back ever since that movement. As you can see, increasing siya and then nagkaroon ng Bitcoin dip. So right now, our major support is actually that 1, 2, or 12 cents area. Kasi look at that, nagkaroon tayo ng bounce at the 12 cents area. So I think a good re-entry opportunity right now for VeChain is the 12 cents area. So you can set up buy order at the 12 cents area if let's say you want to buy VeChain. So right now yung aking monitor for the VeChain price action, which is the 12 cent area, kasi look at that. Previous support, previous resistance is now going to act as a support. So yung ating monitor right now for the VeChain price action. Looking at AVAX naman kasi, di ba? AVAX is consistently producing all-time highs, di ba? And ito yung previous analysis natin kapon. Na-meet natin yung target exactly as predicted. And right now, we are playing above this Fibonacci support of $125 US. So, good buying opportunity would be the $126 US. Good take profit area would be the $154 US. So, right now, I expect AVAX to play within the 126 up until the $154 US. So, yung ating ma-monitor with the AVAX price action, especially, let's look at this in the RSI, wala tayong bearish divergence, wala pang signal for a bearish trend reversal. So, right now, pwede pa siya umakyat, pero the moment na umakyat to, let's say nagkaroon siya na rebound, tapos hindi umakyat lalo si RSI, then that's a bad thing kasi that would indicate na that is a bearish trend reversal signal na for AVAX. So, ating ma-monitor for AVAX if we are going to form a bearish divergence. Nonetheless, our target resistance is the $154 US and our target support is the $126 US. So, yun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.